Hello everyone, welcome back to Outdoors and Country Living. So we got the top put on the high tunnel. It's not stretched real tight. It's muddy, it's cold, there's snow, it's supposed to be coming in, and so we were hustling, and I took the week off to work on this. So it's Monday the 21st
of December,
and so we got the top on, and we got things, the wiggle wire put in, and I'll show some folks how to do that. I said, well, let's go ahead and put the sides on. So we grabbed the sides, and here's what we did. So I got the sides, read the instructions, of course. Come over here, and we started to put the side on. And I'm like, oh, something's wrong. So I thought, man, we screwed it up. So I started taking some measurements and looking at the manual again and looking at part numbers, and it turns out they shipped us the wrong side. So I called the company, and they're like, yeah, we sent the wrong ones, and they're gonna try to supposedly expedite the right ones and get to us. But so we're gonna cobble this together and make these work for now until we get our new ones. But it's interesting. It's been fun. So I need a haircut. I'm muddy.
You are a muddy mess.
I had to use ladders to get part of it, to get the wiggle wire in, because of the height of the tractor wouldn't quite get me where I needed to be safely. As slick as that bucket, if you can see, like in the bucket, it's nothing but it's mud. So
just mud.
I really don't want to fall 14 feet, so, or at all. I'm too fat now to recover. So we're gonna get the sides. Well, these sides. These are drop down sides. If you ever want drop down sides here in a week or so,
we have an extra pair.
Stay tuned. When we get our the correct sides that they send us, because we got the roll-up side, so there's a gearbox and different mechanism stuff we'll have to assemble and put on it. So we'll capture all that and show you guys. So we're not done yet. We just got it closed up for get it dried out a little bit. More to come.
Look at that mighty fine rig job we had to do on these side panels.
What's that?
Are you still rigging?
I'm rigging. I'm an educated riggineer. My master's in riggonomics. I'm going to the moon, I'm a riggonaut. It's got a nice skirt.
Looks like a giant covered wagon.
Hope it don't blow away. At least if it does, I hope I get to see it. I'm working on climbing the ladder. Yeah, this grunt work.
Our high tunnel's working so well already, even from a distance. Look at this lush green grass we have here in Indiana on December 21st.
I think it's edible.
It's like fresh spring grass. It's where we had a pallet sitting.
Oh my.
It's very pretty. Reminds me of Easter time. Well,
It's muddy.
it's a mess.
So we got the wrong sides put on. Kind of cobbled on there.
They are very cobbled.
But we went ahead and did it so we get it to warm up and dry out. So they're supposed to try to expedite the correct sides to me. I don't anticipate having them before Christmas at this rate. So we just decided to go ahead and piece all the wrong stuff on the sides to make it work so we can kind of capture some heat and get it to dry out because it is a mud hole.
It is a mess.
Yeah, I think it'll be.
Not exactly how we planned it, but
Nope, we still got the top.
not our fault either.
The top is, I left the edges because it is cold, so probably the next day or so, or week, or month, or year, sometime, we're gonna re-stretch it. So it's just the two of us working on it, which makes it kind of tough, but it's not perfect. It's not the way we want it, but I think it'll be fine. So.
It'll grow food.
Yeah, if it blows off, then we'll buy another one, put another one on it, I guess. So, with more people. We'll keep plugging away. As soon as it dries out, we'll get it tilled in and
Yeah.
all that good stuff.
So, not the stopping point that we were hoping for, but stuff happens. So.
It's still gonna be good though. We're still gonna plant some stuff. And
Yeah.
it'll be fine. We'll have to just readdress it here before long. But once we get the correct sides, then I gotta put rope on, anti-billow rope to keep it from blowing out. There's some other stuff we'll do. So we'll keep capturing some footage.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. God bless you. Have a great day and have a Merry Christmas if this gets out before Christmas.
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, but Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year.
Take care.
See you later.